तो हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि आप लोग कैसे अपने जो रेपोजिटरी है गिटहब की उसको डिलीट कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट कम ऑन योर गिटहब अकाउंट एंड आफ्टर कमिंग हियर just come in your repositories, and right now you can see there is only one repository, so just click over here, and after clicking on the repository name it will open your repository, and just click over here on the setting option, and after clicking on setting just scroll down, and here you can see delete this repository option, so isko daba dein, and after this click over here, I want to delete this repository, and it will just tell you that this will permanently delete your repository. So you just have to click I have read and understand these effects, then just retype your repository name here. Like I will just retype over here and press on delete this repository. After clicking over here, then you can see there is no public repositories yet. So that's it for today's video. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.